Hello people, today we are in Innoson Vehicle factory. Their extension, Innoson Vehicle is expanding their factory, and this is the new site in Nnewi, Anambra State. This new site now, when it is completed, Innoson Vehicles will be manufacturing trucks in this new site. You can see how massive it is. This is just one of the sites. This site has been covered, the other side is yet to be covered. So when all the work is done and this place starts functioning, trucks will be manufactured in this new site. It's such a massive project, much bigger than the old site. Innoson Vehicles is creating lots of jobs, thousands of jobs with this massive investment. So this kind of investment is what is needed to boost our economy, the economy of our state, of our country. We need more of our people to bring back their investment home. Akuruono, bring back your investment, bring it down home. You can see what Innoson is doing here. This is a very massive investment. It's been long I saw this kind of massive investment anywhere in Anambra State, and Innoson is taking a very bold step, irrespective of all the challenges. He is taking a very bold step. So the least we can do is to keep encouraging Innoson Vehicles by patronizing them, buying their products, their vehicles, recommending to people to buy. Then our governors, our president, our senators, let us keep patronizing Innoson Vehicles. That's the only way this company will keep growing and keep expanding and keep creating more jobs and keep improving and boosting our economy. You can see this massive investment. Just look at this massive investment. You can imagine the number of people that will work in this factory when it is completed. And mind you, we have 2 or 3 of this kind of settings here. This one has been covered, the other ones are yet to be covered. So we are very hopeful that by the end of this year, this company will start functioning, production will start here, and that will be a very big milestone for Innoson and for the economy of this country, because it's only people that will understand what this kind of investment means to the economy of the country. So guys, let's go on a tour around this new site of Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company that is located in Nnewi, Anambra State. Let's go.
you.